Honorable Speaker, Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla ji, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Rajya Sabha, Shri Harivansh ji, Honorable Union Minister, Law and Justice, Shri Kiren Rijiju ji, Honorable Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Mansukh Mandaviya ji, Honorable Members of Parliament, Dr. S.K. Sareen, Director ILBS, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone present here this morning on the occasion of the World Hepatitis Day 2021. The urgency that the nation ascribes to the management and control of hepatitis can be gauged from the decision of Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha to host this event in the Parliament of India in the middle of the monsoon session of Parliament. I take this opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Speaker, whose continued patronage has been an abiding source of support in the ongoing crusade against hepatitis. A very warm welcome also goes out to Shri Harivansh ji, Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha, Honorable Minister of Law and Justice, Shri Kiren Rijiju ji, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Mansukh Mandaviya ji, and Dr. S.K. Sareen, Director, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi, who is at the forefront of this war against hepatitis in India. I am also grateful to Sir Michael Houghton, Nobel Laureate, who has very kindly consented to send us a recorded message for this occasion, since it was not possible for him to travel to India. A special welcome also goes out to Srimati Anjali Mahapatra, wife of Dr. Guru Prasad Mahapatra, ex-Secretary, Government of India, Department of Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade, who is no more with us, but was a valued patron of this movement against hepatitis. I would like to inform that the Parliament of India has always recognized hepatitis as a serious malaise afflicting mankind. As many as 408 times since the first Lok Sabha has the issue of management and control of hepatitis been brought to the attention of the House through various instrumentalities available to members of Parliament. The matter was first raised in Lok Sabha as early as 1956, when the then Minister of Health, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur ji, gave a reply to the question asked by 3 members on the subject. In addition, the issue of hepatitis management was deliberated in several committees of Parliament, whose recommendations would undoubtedly have benefited the government in the fight against the disease. In fact, the then President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, had referred to the alarming spread of hepatitis B and the pilot project for vaccinating children in 15 states in the address to Parliament in 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, there should be no doubt in anybody's mind that if India and indeed the world has to achieve the SDG on good health and well-being by 2030, the war over hepatitis will have to be won comprehensively. This war can only be won with the support of all stakeholders, the Parliament of India, the union, state and local governments, civil society, students and all citizens, because as WHO has encapsulated so succinctly the need for urgency in our efforts at containing the disease in its slogan for 2021, that hepatitis can't wait. Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.